Welcome back to Brain Boosters, where we offer tips and insights on various industries. In our last video, we discussed navigating the world of real estate, covering topics such as short sales, broker salaries, and buying and selling property. Today, we're shifting our focus to another crucial topic for entrepreneurs: starting a business. We'll be discussing the importance of having a solid business plan and how understanding business days can help you manage your operations effectively. Now that we've covered the importance of having a solid business plan and understanding business days, let's dive into the first component of a business plan, the executive summary. To start, we're going to dive into the different components of a business plan. These are the building blocks that will help you create a strong foundation for your business. We'll begin by discussing the executive summary, which is a high-level overview of your business. This section should include your mission statement, business goals, and objectives. Next, we'll cover market analysis, which is all about identifying your target audience and understanding your industry. This will help you create a competitive strategy for your business. Then, we'll discuss the importance of defining your company's organizational structure and management team. This section outlines who will be responsible for the day-to-day operations of the business. After that, we'll dive into financial planning, which is crucial for any business. We'll cover how to project revenue, expenses, and cash flow. This will help you determine the financial feasibility of your business and plan for the future. Finally, we'll offer tips on developing a marketing strategy that includes branding, advertising, and social media marketing. This is essential for promoting your business and reaching your target audience. Now that we have covered the key components of a business plan, let's move on to discussing the process of starting a business and the important factors to consider. Starting a business is an exciting but challenging journey, and it's important to have a solid understanding of the key steps involved to ensure success. First, we will start by discussing the key steps involved in starting a business. These include doing market research, figuring out who your target market is, setting up your company, and getting financing. You'll get a rundown of each step along with some advice to make the process go more smoothly. As an illustration, we'll discuss how crucial it is to conduct in-depth market research in order to comprehend your competitors and potential customers. We'll also discuss the different legal forms your business can adopt, along with each one's benefits and drawbacks. Next, we'll dive deeper into the best practices for starting a successful business. We'll offer suggestions for putting together a strong team, drafting a business plan that outlines your mission, vision, and goals, and developing a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience. We'll also provide examples of successful entrepreneurs who have navigated the challenges of starting a business and how they achieved their goals. We'll cover topics like how Elon Musk started from scratch with Tesla and how Sarah Blakely, the creator of Spanx, grew her business from a $5,000 investment into a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate. Now that we've covered the basics of starting a business and creating a solid business plan, let's shift our focus to the practicalities of managing your business on a day-to-day basis. If you've reached this far, don't forget to click the subscribe button to receive an announcement of our upcoming videos. In the next section, we'll dive into the concept of business days and how understanding them can help you stay organized and efficient in running your business. Now that we've covered the components of a business plan and the basics of starting a business, let's turn our attention to the concept of business days. First, let's define what we mean by business days. Simply put, these are the days of the week when most businesses and government organizations are open for business, typically Monday through Friday, excluding holidays. While this may seem like a minor detail, understanding business days is actually crucial for entrepreneurs who want to effectively manage their operations and plan their schedules. One important thing to note is the difference between business days and calendar days. Calendar days include weekends and holidays, while business days do not. This distinction can be especially important when it comes to deadlines, contracts, and other time-sensitive business matters. Another concept to be aware of is business day conventions. This refers to the different methods used in finance and accounting to calculate the number of business days between two dates. Understanding these conventions can be helpful for entrepreneurs who need to manage cash flow, calculate interest, or navigate other financial matters. To wrap up this section, let's discuss some examples of how understanding business days can benefit entrepreneurs. For instance, knowing when a bank is open for business can help you avoid missed payments or late fees. Similarly, scheduling meetings and appointments during business hours can help you avoid conflicts and maximize your productivity. Overall, paying attention to business days can be a small but important way to stay on top of your game as an entrepreneur. That's it for our comprehensive guide to writing a business plan, starting a business, and navigating business days. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and tips on how to succeed as an entrepreneur. To recap, we discussed the different components of a business plan, such as the executive summary, market analysis, financial projections, and marketing strategy. We also explored the key steps involved in starting a business, and offered tips on how to build a successful business. Finally, we talked about the importance of understanding business days, and how this knowledge can help you plan and manage your operations more effectively. We encourage you to continue learning about entrepreneurship and to seek out additional resources and support. Don't hesitate to reach out to your local business development center, small business association, or online communities for guidance and advice. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.